Monroe.
You around here call me Glory. Let's go. I'd like to register my daughter.
So you're new to the school then, Rain?
You coach track?
Rain is gonna try out for the team. You ever heard of the CaribbeanTales Games? People compete from all over the region, and colleges are watching worldwide. I think you have a chance to qualify.
If you're ashamed of who I is, well, it ain't never been my problem what fools think, and I sure as hell ain't gonna start worrying about it now.
I ain't just some fool. I'm your child. When I run, everything goes away. My feet so fast, they ain't even touching the ground.
She real gifted, Miss Monroe. You should come see her run.